Welcome to the Science Class channel, hosted by Akkapelli Ravi.
So the light bends because the refractive index of the glass is higher than the air.
Right.
Yeah?
But what happens if we change the angle of incidence?
Dear students, we discussed today about refractive index. What is the refractive index? Let us know. Suppose this is have taken one glass and this is also one of the glass. Okay, glass. Suppose to be this is a glass A and this is a glass B. Okay, now here is the source of light, torch light. Just light is coming obliquely. Okay, and suppose this is the PQ is the surface of the glass, and here also RS is the surface of glass B. Now here the source of light. Okay, now light is coming perpendicular to the surface of RS. Now here the light coming obliquely. How it is coming? Obliquely and obliquely. What happens if I make a one normal over here? Here the normal is like the pathway of light. Now when you understand here the angle here and here, and you say here the angle value here 90 degrees, here is something here less than the 90 degrees. Now in both the cases, how light bends, how much is light bending? Here light goes in a straight way. Here light actually has to go in this way, but it is a somewhat differently, means going in this direction. This much it is deflected. I hope you understand. In class A and class B, the situation is this: here light is not bending, here light is bending. Okay, then how much light bend? How much light bends? Light bends, and that is called refractive index. Here suppose this is the medium 1, it is the medium 2. Medium 1 is air and medium 2 is glass. Here is the medium 1, here is the medium 2. When light enter from one medium to another medium, and what will happen? Light can get bent, and this how much it is bending we can express in the number, and that number is nothing but refractive index, and this number always comes in the form of a ratio, and it is has no units. We'll discuss further all these things by watching few videos.
The refractive index, N, determines how much the light bends. As the beam enters the prism,
As light passes from one medium to another, it changes speed and direction. This relationship is described by Snell's